What if I told you your next customer will never see your ad? Picture this. You're planning a family trip to Chicago. Your spouse, your 5-year-old son, and you. The dates are fixed, the budget is set. You already know everyone's preferences. So you don't browse, you don't scroll, you don't compare. You ask an AI agent. In seconds, it builds the perfect 3-day itinerary. Flights, a hotel that feels right, restaurants everyone loves, and experiences your son will remember. It's a dream for travelers and a nightmare for marketers. Because none of those choices came from advertising. Your brand didn't win a click, it didn't win a bid, it wasn't even seen. The decision was made before preference ever existed. The AI chose, based on data, logic, and trust, not impressions. This isn't just about travel, it's soon to be about every buying decision. By 2027, Gartner predicts that half of people in advanced economies will have AI personal assistants working for them every day. Now, this might sound alarming, but it isn't new. We've always trusted intermediaries. Influencers shape culture. Wealth managers recommend credit cards. Designers choose furniture. Stylists decide what we wear. Creators determine what goes viral. The difference is, this one never sleeps. It never scrolls. It never gets emotional. And it doesn't speak our language. So if you want to influence it, you don't advertise to it, you architect for it. This is business to agent marketing. B2A, system to system, machine to machine. It starts with a technical North Star. You're no longer designing for humans. You're designing for logic. Data quality, interoperability, precision. Your products and your brand language must be machine readable, structured, explicit, unambiguous, so an agent can evaluate, compare, and recommend without guessing. That intelligence lives in a DMP, not as a marketing database, but as a decision engine. A smart warehouse that unifies product specs, pricing, availability, and rules, kept clean and ready for machines to act. APIs become the pathways, instant, secure connections that deliver exactly what an agent needs the moment a question is asked. No humans, no friction, no delay, but speed without trust breaks everything. In a world of autonomous agents, trust is non-negotiable. If an AI can't verify who it's talking to or where the data came from, the system fails. Brands can be spoofed, decisions can be made on information that was never true. That's why trust must be designed in. Agents need verified identities. Authorized access should be specific, temporary, and controlled, like a keycard that opens only certain doors for a limited amount of time. At the same time, your official data must clearly identify itself with signals, timestamps, and standards that tell an AI this is accurate, current, and from the source. Because in B2A marketing, trust isn't assumed, it's engineered. And finally, your brand needs an identity that machines can understand. Not just a logo, but values, voice, and boundaries translated into logic. This is technical branding. Not how your brand looks, but how it behaves inside an algorithm. So yes, B2A can feel daunting, but it's also liberating, because as advertising fades, strategy matters more. And the brands that win next won't be the loudest, they'll be the ones AI trusts to decide for us.